Hello everyone, I am Geetha, belongs to Department of Information Technology from SESI Institute of Technology and Engineering. Now I am submitting video assignment on how to solve sum of subset problem using backtracking technique under the supervision of Nageshwar sir. Before moving to the problem, let us see what is meant by backtracking. Backtracking name itself says that we are going back and coming forward. If it satisfies the condition, then return success, else we go back. It uses brute force search to solve the problem, and the brute force says that for the given problem we try to make all the possible solutions and pick out the best solution from all the desired solution. Now let us learn what is meant by subset sum. Subset sum problem is to find subset of elements that are selected from a given set whose sum adds up to a given number k. Let us see an example. Here is a set W is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and sum of subset should be equal to k, that is 5. The possible subsets from the above set W which is equal to k are 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. Let us solve a problem using backtracking. Find all possible subsets of W that sum to M by using backtracking technique. Let W is equal to 12, 5, 13, 14 and M is equal to 25 and draw the portion of the state space tree that is generated. Let us know what is meant by state space tree. A state space tree is a tree representing all the possible states, solution or non-solution, of the problem from the root as an initial state to the leaf as a terminal state. Let us move to the problem. Here we can see that given weights are 12, 5, 13 and 14. Let us consider x1 as 12, x2 as 5, x3 as 13 and x4 as 14. We have to take subset of W such that their weight should be equal to exactly 25, which is M. Selection of weights are possible in many ways. Let us try all possible ways of their selection and find out which of their selection is equal to exact weight 25. Let us do the solution by state space tree. Here in the state space tree we can see that in every node we are putting two values. In the first node we can see that 0 and total of all elements in the W which is 44. Here for every node we will include each weight or not include weight. If we include weight means x1 is equal to 1 or not include means it will equal to 0. Here from the first node we will start. First weight is included, so x1 is equal to 1. So add that weight 12 to the 0 and the 12 will be removed from the total weight which is 44. Then it will become 12. From this node we can see that now include second weight which is 5. Including second weight is add up to the 12. 12 plus 5 will become 17 and the 5 will be removed from the 32. Then it will become 27. From this node we will include third weight which is 13. By including third weight which is 13, 17 plus 13 will become 30 and removing 13 from the total weight it will become 14. At this node we will see that the actual weight is exceeding the weight which we want. So we will not consider this weight as it is exceeding the actual weight which we want. So we cannot get the solution at this node. So from this we are backtracking to the before node. Then we will not include the third weight and check. By not including third weight, the sum will remain same as 17 and the third weight which is 13 will be removed from the 27. Then it will become 14. From this node we will try by including fourth weight which is 14. By including fourth weight which is 14, 17 plus 14 will become 14 and the 14 will be removed from the total weight. Then it will become 0. 31 and 0, at this node we will see that it is exceeding the actual sum which we want, so we will not consider this node also because we cannot get the solution at here. So from this node we are backtracking to the before node At this node we will try by not including the fourth weight, which is 14. By not including the fourth weight, the sum 17 will remain same and the total will be removed by 14, and here it will become 0. At this node we will see that we will not consider this node also, as this node is not equal to the sum and it is less than sum. There is no way to go further as there are no more weights in the set. From this node we will backtrack to the before node. We will try by not including fourth weight. We had tried by not including third weight and we will reach here. Now we will try by not including second weight, which is 5. Then the sum will remain 12 only and the 5 will be removed from the 32, then it will become 27. At this node we will see by including third weight, which is 13. By including third weight, 12 plus 13 will become 25 and 13 will be removed from the total, then it will become 14. At this node we will see that we got the solution which we want, 25. We got the exact solution which we want. So this is one of the solution. Let us check for few more solution if possible. From this node we will backtrack to the before node. From this node we will check by not including third weight, which is 13. By not including third weight, we will have the 12 remain 12 and 27 minus 13 will become 14. And the 12 and 14 will be the now our node. From this node we will include fourth weight, which is 14. By including fourth weight, 12 plus 14 will become 26 and the total will be removed by 14, then it will become 0. Here is our node. It is exceeding the node with exceeding the sum which we want, so we are not considering this node also because we cannot get the solution by going further. So from this node we will backtrack to the before node. We will reach here. At this node we will check by not including fourth weight, which is 14. By not including fourth weight, 12 will remain 12 and the 14 will be removed from this total, then it will become 0. 12 and 0 is our node. We can see here it is not exceeding the actual sum which we want, but there are no more weights to reach our actual weight, so we are not considering this node also, so we are ignoring this node and backtracking from this node. We will reach to this node. We are not we had tried by not including third weight also. We have tried by not including fifth weight also. Now we have reached here. From this node we will try by not including first weight. By not including first weight, which is 12, we have 0 and the 12 will remove from 44, then it will become 32. From this node we will check by including second weight, which is 5. By including second weight, which is 5, then it will become 0 plus 5 will be 5 and 5 will be removed from this total, then it will become 27. From this node we can see that by including third weight, which is 13, we will have 5 plus 13 will be 18 and 27 minus 13 will be 14. From this node we will include fourth weight, which is 14. By including fourth weight, which is 14, 18 plus 12 will 18 plus 14 will be 32 and 14 minus 14 will be 0. Here we can see that 32 is exceeding the actual sum which we want, so we are not including this weight. So from this node we will backtrack to the before node and try by not including fourth weight, which is 14. By not including fourth weight, 18 will remain 18 and here we are not including, so 14 will be removed by 14. So here it will be 0. At this node we will see that we are not including this node also because it is there are no more weights to reach our actual sum, which is 25. So we are not considering this node also. So from this node we will backtrack to the before node. We will reach here and from this we will backtrack, we will reach to this node. At this node we will check by not including third weight, which is 13. By not including third weight, 5 will remain 5 and 27 minus 13 would be 14. And at this node we will check by including fourth weight, which is 14. 5 plus 14 will be 19 and the 14 will be removed from this total, then it will be 0. At this node we will see that it is not reached our actual sum, but there is no chance to go further because there are no more weights in the set. So this also not considering as our solution. From this solution we are backtracking to the before node and check by not including fourth weight, which is 14. By not including fourth weight, 5 will be 5 and the 14 will be removed from this total and it will be 0. Here we can see it is also not the desired solution because there are no more weights to get our actual solution. So we are stopping here and not considering this node and backtracking to the before node. From this we backtrack to the before node. We have tried by not including fourth weight, not including third weight and including second weight. We will reach here. From this node we will check by not including second weight, which is 5. By not including second weight we will have 0 as 0 and 5 will be removed from this 32 and it will be 27. From this node we will check by including third weight. By including third weight, which is 13, 0 plus 13 will be 13 and 27 minus 13 would be 14. From this node we will check by including fourth weight, which is 14. And the 13 plus 14 is 27 and 14 will be removed from this and it will be 0. Now it is 27 and 0. Here we can see that 27 is exceeding the actual sum which we want. So we are not including this node also and we are not considering this also as our solution. So from this we backtrack to the before node and check by not including fourth weight, which is 14. So by not including fourth weight here we will get the 13 as 13 and 14 minus 14 will be 0. From this node we can see that 13 is not exceeding our actual sum, but it is not reach our actual sum. There are no more weights to go further, so we are stopping here and backtracking to the before node. From this node backtracking we get to this, and from this node we will check by not including third weight also, which is 13. From this we can see that 0 will be 0 and 13 will be removed from the 27, then it will be 14. Here we can see that 0 and 14 node. We will try by including fourth weight, which is 14, and by including fourth weight we can see that 0 plus 14 will be 14 and 14 will be removed by 14, then we will get 14 and 0. This is also not our desired solution because there are no more weights to reach our actual solution. So we are not considering this also and backtracking to the before node, and here we can see that by not including fourth weight we can get 0 and 0. There are no more solution to go further. From our state spaced solution we can see that we had only one solution, that is in this way. From this way we can see that we have included third weight, which is 13, and not included second weight, which is 5, and included first weight, which is 12. This is the way which we got the solution as our exact sum which we want as 25. This is one of the solution. There are no more solutions in our state space tree. The subset from the solution is 12, 13. Here we can see that we have considered the first weight and we have not considered the second weight. We have considered the third weight and we have not considered the fourth weight. From this we got the solution as this way. So this is the subset sum using backtracking technique. Thanks for watching.